Today we are going to further continue our discussion on the digit based problems from the topic permutation and combinations. We'll look at a few questions. So let us start with this question. This question states that how many integers between 0 to 10,000 have only one digit equal to 5? So it is clearly written that integers between 0 to 10,000. So that means we are dealing with integers from 1 to 999. So from 1 to 999 we will have single digit numbers, we will have 2-digit number, we will have 3-digit numbers, and we will have 4-digit numbers. Now, as we know, from 1 to 100 we'll have how many the question states that how many integers between 0 to 100 have only one digit equal to 5. So from 1 to 100, as we know that 5 appears in 19 numbers and 20 times. Now we are looking for those integers in which there is which contain only one 5. So as we know that there will be 18 numbers that will contain only one 5. So single and 2-digit, there will be 18 such integers, because the 19th integer, as discussed in the earlier video, will be the number 55. It contains two 5s, so we will not consider that number. Rest of the numbers we will consider, because rest of them have only one 5. Next, for 3-digit numbers, if you see 3-digit numbers, they start from 100. So from 100 to 200 there will be 19 numbers, so in which 5 appears, and in one of the numbers it appears twice, so we need to subtract that number, so there will be total of 18 numbers. Similarly, from 200 to 300, 300 to 400, and from 400 to 500, and from 500 to 600 we'll discuss it in a couple of minutes, and from 600 to 700 again it will be the same, 700 to 800 again it will be the same, 800 to 900 again it will be the same, 900 to 1000 again it will be the same. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is nothing but 18 into 8 in addition to it. What is happening between 500 to 600? So there will be there are 100 numbers, so out of which 19 numbers will have two 5s, will have 2 or more 5s, because 18 will have 2 5s and one number will have 3 5s. So total there are 19 numbers. The calculation for this 19 was discussed in the second video which I have posted. You can go through that video. So it will be total 81 here. So add 81 over here. Next, for 4-digit numbers. So what is happening for 4-digit numbers? For 4-digit number, the calculation will be in this way. I'm just erasing it, so because this was discussed in the earlier video as well. so you can go through it again if in case of any doubt. Next, for 4-digit numbers, so 5, they have to contain only one 5, not more than one 5. So 5 can appear in the units place. So if 5 is appearing in the units place, I have 8 choices with me, because 0 cannot come here and 5 cannot come here. And for this to fill this hundreds place, 9 choices I will have. And to fill this place, that is the tens place, I will have again 9 choices. Similarly, when 5 appears in the tens place, case will be same, 8 into 8 into 9. Next, if 5 appears in the hundreds place, again it will be 8 into 9 into 9. Now, if 5 appears in the thousands place, then here I have 9 choices to fill, except 5, all the digits can be filled here, again 9, again 9. So these many integers will be there. So if we add all these things, 9 cube plus 3 into 8 into 9 square. So what is 9 cube? 9 cube would be around 9 is 729, plus this is 24 times 81. So if we calculate it, 324 would be here. Next, 162. So what is this? It's 4491. So it is 729 plus 9144. So total will be 1944 plus 729. 9 plus 4 is 13. 167. And here we have 2673 over here, and here we will have 144 plus 81, it is 225 and 18. So total will be 2673 plus, which is the 4 digit is 2673. Add for this 2673, add 225 and then add 18. So it is 612916 is the answer. So there are 2916 integers in which contain a single 5 in them when you write the integers from between 0 to 10,000. So this is the way to solve. This is the method 1. So there is another method which is purely based on the permutation and combination concept. I'll discuss it here. I will erase it. So the method is as follows. This is the second method. So we are going to, so the second method is as follows. We will put 5 over here. 5 can appear anywhere from this box to this box to this box or this box. So now I will put 5 over here from 0 to 9 excluding 5. I can fill this box in 9 ways. Similarly this box in 9 ways. Similarly this box in 9 ways. Right? So I'll have 9 cube when the 5 is appearing in the tens units place. Similarly, 5 has 4 choices. 5 can appear in the hundreds place, 5 can appear in the tens place, or 5 can appear in the hundreds place, or 5 can appear in the thousands place. So there, in that case, that will be because 5 has 4 places to go. It can either go here, it can either go here, or here, or here. So 4 choices for 5. So answer will be 2196 again. Now there will be a couple of doubts. Doubt 1. First doubt would be, you are taking digits from 0 to 9. So what happens if I do it in this way? 0, 0, 0, and I have already put 5 here. That means I am considering a single digit number. Now what happens if I do it in this way? So if I is here and I'm putting 0, 0 over here, and random I can put either 0 or anything from 0 to 9 except 5. So what is happening here? I'm considering 2 digit number. Now again, if I put 5 over here and 0 over here and any some number over here, say 1 and 2, I'm considering 3 digit number. So in this way I have considered all the possible scenarios. In the method 1, first we have listed that there would be a single digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit number, and a 4 digit number here. So that's why we have taken 4 places here, because the integers which we are looking are from 1 to 4 times 9, that is 9999. So we can have a single digit number, double digit number, triple digit number, and a 4 digit number. So if 5 comes here, any number we can place here, and we are considering 4 digit number. So that is the reason why I have put 5 over here. I have assumed that 5 is occupying the units place, and in the tens place, in the hundreds place, and in the thousands place, I have put any digit. I can put any digit from 0 to 9 excluding 5, in order to get the all possible numbers that contain only 1 5, and that too, that 5 being placed in the tens place. Similarly, in the units place. Similarly, I can move that 5 from the units place to tens place to hundreds place to thousands place. So that's why it has 4 choices, and again you can get the answer as 2916. Now let us look at another question. Now in this question we need to find how many odd numbers between 1000 and 9999 have distinct digits. So the question, it says between 1000 and 9999. So clearly we are dealing with 4 digit numbers. Now this is the first part of the question. Next part of the question, how many odd numbers between 1000 to 9999 have distinct digits? Distinct digit means no repetition. A digit, once it is used, there won't be any repetition of the digit. Now, and he is moreover talking with dealing about odd numbers. So odd numbers means last digit must end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So there will be 5 choices for the last digit. So we are dealing with 4 digit number, and I am putting I have 5 choices over here. Assume that I have put 1 over here. Next, this place, it can be filled with any digit except 0 or 1, because 1 is used over here, as we have said that there should not be any repetition. So I have 8 choices to fill this place. Now here, coming to here, 1 is already being used and another digit is used here. So how many choices do I have? I have another 8 choices over here. 2 digits are already used and 1 is already used, so total 3 digits are used. So I have 7 choices here. Now to fill this units place, I have 5 choices. So total numbers will be 8 into 8 into 7 into 5. It is 64 into 35. You can do it. It is 320 plus 192. 224. So this is the answer. So this is the answer. Actually it has to be 0 over here instead of 4. It is 0 over here. So this is the answer. 2240 is the answer. Now let us look at another question. Now this question is another easy question. So let's start with we'll solve this question. Now we are looking for find the number of positive integers which can be formed by using any number of digits from 0 to 5. So digits given are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total there are 6 digits. So using any number of digits it is given. So I can form the integers with how many types of integers can I form? So I can form, if I use only one digit out of the 6 digit, I can form single digit. If I use 2 digits, I can form a double digit. Now I can form triple digit as well. I can form an integer with 4 digits. I can form an integer with 5 digits. I can form an integer with 6 digits by using all the digits. So now let us start with single digit. As you know, we are looking for positive integers, so only we can form only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 digits over here, 5 integers we can form with using these digits that are single digit. Next, double digits. So definitely 0 cannot come here, and moreover by using each digit not more than once in each number, so there is again no repetition as well. So double digit 0 cannot come here, so I have 5 choices. Next, here I can fill this particular digit with one of the digit is already used, so another 5, so it will be 25. Triple digit, again 0 cannot come here, so I have 5 choices for this place. Again one of the digits is used out of 6, so I have another 5, and then here it is 4, so here it is 100. Next, 4 digit, here I can use 5 possible cases except 0. Next followed by 5, next followed by 4, next followed by 3, so this is 100, so this is 300. Next again 5 digits, here I have 5 choices, then again here for 5, 4, 3, 2, so there is nothing but 600. Now 6 digits, again I have 5 choices for here. Next 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1, so this is also another 600. So add all these things, We'll get 1200, 1500, 1600, 1630 is the answer. Now let us look at another question. So let us solve this question. So we are dealing with 5-digit numbers. We are dealing with 5-digit numbers. Now I'll assume that 8 is here. Now the digit 3, how many choices does it have? It has 4 choices. It can go anywhere in these 4 places. Now the other digit is digit 1. Whatever 5 digits we are going to form, we have to form using only these digits 8, 3 and 1. First step is I have put 8 here in the units place. Then I have said that 3, it can occupy any place. It can go here, or else it can come here, or else it can go here. So any place it can come here. So it has 4 choices. And 1, it has to go in the remaining place. So that is only one way. What I have done here, I have taken 8 in the units place. Now I can take 8 in the hundreds place as well, or else in the tens place, or else in the hundreds place, or in the thousands place, or in the 10,000s place. I can take it. I can keep 8 in 5 different locations. So multiply it with 5. So answer is 20. This is the simplest way to do this question. First I have taken 8. You can take 3 as well. I have taken 8 and I have put here, and then 3, it can go in the remaining 4 places. So it has 4 choices. And the digit 1, it can be placed here. That's it. So it has only one way because all are similar. And then 8 can be placed. Then 8, I have solved this question thinking that 8 is in the units place. So 8 can be moved in any of these 5 places. So that is why I have multiplied with 5. So the answer is 20. Thank you for listening to me.